135 divided by 135 equals 1, and 135 divided by 135 gives us 1, and 1 divided by 1, which gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, when we have more than one division, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this division, it's wrong. Okay? Let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 135 divided by 135, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 135 divided by 135. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 135, which can be written as 1 over 135 divided by 135. So to make this division, we have to drop down 1 over 135, then change division to multiplication, then flip the 135 to be 1 over 135, which equals 1 over 18,225. And this was our final answer for this problem.